Hello everyone, in this video we're going to create our project, import assets, and I'm going to show you how you can integrate Visual Studio inside of Unity for scripting. So open up your Unity Hub and click on New button. We are going to create a 2D project, so select 2D and rename your project Bomberdude Tutorial. Now choose where you want to store your project and click Create button. Now that the Unity has opened up, let's just integrate the code editor or IDE that we want. Click on Edit, Preferences and select External Tools, and there will be an external script editor options in here. So just click on this drop down, and I have all these options. If you don't, then click on Browse and it will take you to this file explorer. Now browse to the location of the editor that you want to integrate here. So I'm going to integrate Visual Studio just for the sake of explaining things more clearly. Go to Program Files, Microsoft Studio, Visual Studio 2019 Community, Common 7, IDE, and this is the exe for Visual Studio 2019. So if I select this and open, and it will be integrated. So that takes care of our integration issue. So that's how you integrate Visual Studio inside of Unity. Now to import assets, I have provided some download links in the description, so you can check those out if you want to use the same assets as me. But if you want to use your own assets, then you're free to do so. So let's look at what I am using. So this is the asset pack that I am using. It's called Bomb Party asset pack. If you want, you can use this. Also, I'm using this font type, which is pixel type font. Also, I have provided the link to the complete project in the description. You can just clone this repository and download as a zip file. And one thing I want to mention is that this sprite pack has some issues, like some of the characters are not centered properly and are off by some pixels, so it looks weird while animating these characters. Also, in this asset pack there is no sprite for bomb pickup and explosion pickup, and also there isn't any sprite for the gate by which we can exit our level. So that's what I wanted to mention, that this sprite pack has some issues in some of the sprites, and I am modifying this asset pack to create some of my own art to use in this game. So if you want to completely follow with this tutorial using my assets, just download the assets from the GitHub repo, and after downloading them, to import in the Unity, you can just click on Asset, Import New Asset, or you can right click in the Projects panel, Import New Assets. So now you can just locate where you have downloaded the asset, and let me just import all the sprites. So go to Asset, Sprites, and select all and import. So now that we have imported all our sprites, just create a folder for sprites and drag them under the sprites. Now we also want to import fonts, so just create a fonts folder, and also we want audio, so create an audio folder. Now to import fonts, I can just import assets like, go to fonts. Do not import these .asset files. We're going to generate our own font assets. So just click on this .ttf file and import it. So it's also imported. Now for audio, I have created all the music and sound effects in this project myself. And if you want to do so yourself, you can download BFXR and Audacity for sound effects, and you can use LMMS and Postcacule for music creation. And also, there is one more method by which we can import assets in our game, by just dragging the asset inside of Unity. Let me just show you. Now we need to import only the .wav file. Do not worry about these meta files. So just click on the .wav files and import them. Now let's just organize these. These are all the music files. And also we need to bring sound effects, so again click on only .wav files. I'm using Control to select these individually and drag inside SFX folder. So that's how you import assets inside Unity. See you in the next video.